It is a hot summer night. The sky is clear. There is no moon, but the stars shine in the sky like little lights. Father, mother, Aziz, and Savina are sitting in the courtyard. Savina looks at the sky and says, Aziz, look at those. Who small they are, yet how merrily they shine. Aziz, replies, how beautiful they are. Do you remember that poem? Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. How I wonder they you are. Father is listening to their talk. He say, Samina, the stars are not really little. Samina asks, why do they appear so little if they are not really little? Father says, the stars are very far away from us. That's why they look little. In fact, they are bigger than the earth and the moon. Many of them are even bigger. Our sun. Our sun is a star which is near to us. Do you know how big the sun is? It is almost 109 times bigger than our earth. Is the sun really stars? Aziz asks. Yes, the sun is a star like other stars. It is not far away from us as the other stars are. That's why it looks bigger than the other stars, says father. Samina recall the picture of the earth, moon, sun, stars which her teacher made on the blackboard. Samina wants to know why stars have different color. She asks her father why. Do some stars look red, some yellow and some white or blue? What's good question, Samina, says father. Then he asks Aziz, do you remember your visit to the blacksmith shop last winter? Yes, father, replied Aziz. And what do you see there? Asked father. Aziz tells that the blacksmith put a piece of iron in the wire. When he looked it out, its color was red. He put it back in the fire and further some minutes when he took it over its color was yellow. He put it back in the fire and took it over after some time. Its color was white or blue. Yes, that's what you say, says father. The blacksmith hit a piece of iron and it turned red. He hated it more. It turned yellow again. He hated it more. It turned white. The color of a star tells us how hot it is. The color of the sun is yellow. The sun is hotter than a red-looking star. A blue or white star hotter than the sun. Now I hope you know why stars have different colors. Aziz and Samina both says thanks you, father.